Tasmanian bushland has been home to many of these creatures for thousands of years. In 1996, the first noted case of a dreadful disease just starts to appear on a few of these animals. More and more animals become infected with this strange disease, and most of the population begins to disappear and become very scarce. By 2008, over 70% of the Tasmanian devil population has since disappeared due to this incurable and fast-moving illness, known as devil facial tumour disease. Devil facial tumour disease is not recognised by the Tasmanian devil's immune system, therefore being incurable. This disease is a type of cancer that is infectious, meaning contraction of this illness is caused by being bitten by an infected animal or sharing food with devils that have this disease. Generally speaking, this has made it almost impossible for prevention to occur in the wild, as devils were contracting this disease through their normal animal instincts. Once the Tasmanian devil comes into contact with devil facial tumour disease, small tumours start to form around the mouth of the infected animal. From there, the tumours begin to grow and obstruct normal bodily functions, such as sight, smell, and taste. Unfortunately, research has shown that the Tasmanian devil's life will more than likely end after 6 months of contracting this disease. These facial tumours grow so big that it makes it difficult for Tasmanian devils to eat food or drink water, therefore often resulting in starvation. In 2006, devil facial tumour disease was placed under the Animal Health Act, which is legislation aimed to provide prevention, detection and control of animal diseases. The legislation also aims to provide maintenance and improve of animal health. As previously mentioned, the Tasmanian devil is highly endangered. If serious action is not taken now, Australia will lose its iconic native animal and the species will become extinct by 2035. The repercussions of this can cause major disruptions to the Tasmanian forest ecosystem. Each animal plays a role in the sustainability of an area in which it lives. Tasmanian devils play an important role by protecting some of Australia's native species through eating sick and dead animals as well as feral cats that can spread disease to other animals. Tasmanian devils are also unique to Tasmania. Tourists or natives will always associate Tasmanian devils with Tasmania, and the devil plays a large part in shaping the identity of this island. Sporting teams and even some local products are named after these animals to showcase where they are from. If the Tasmanian devil becomes extinct, Tasmania will lose a large part of its identity and tourism industry. There have been many programs and organisations dedicated to conserve the Tasmanian devil. Taronga Zoo Conservation Society has developed a breeding program that aims to sustain healthy and disease-free Tasmanian devils on the mainland of Australia, with the hope to release genetically and psychologically suitable marsupials back to Tasmania. These programs are supervised and cared for within their zoological parks in Sydney and Dubbo. These devil enclosures are supported by articles and videos that inform the public about devil facial tumour disease and its effects on the species population. Within these enclosures there are donation boxes where the public can contribute to the Taronga's conservation program and research. Another action the public can be involved in is by contributing to the funding and research for a devil facial tumour preventative immunisation. Researchers at the Menzies Institute at the University of Tasmania were able to grow facial tumour cells, kill them, and then mix them with an element that provokes inflammation. This mixture was then injected into 6 devils, resulting in 5 of the devils' immune systems attacking the tumours, when previously it had been ignored. There is a long way to go before this immunisation program can confidently be put into place. However, research can only proceed with the appropriate funding and donations. There are many programs and conservation ideas that researchers and professional conservationists have in order to preserve the life of the Tasmanian devil. Members of the public can also assist many of these programs or preventions by simply becoming knowledgeable or by donating their time or money to assist these programs.